If you need help with Grammarly, whether you're dealing with a billing issue, a login problem, a subscription question, or a feature that isn't working the way it should, this video will show you exactly how to contact Grammarly support the right way. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can find help quickly without wasting time searching all over the place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your Grammarly account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a support option there. Click on that support button to open the help area. After you select it, a new tab will open in your browser. This is Grammarly's support page, and from here you'll have a couple of different ways to get assistance. You can start by searching for a solution if you already know what your issue is. Just type in a keyword related to your problem, and Grammarly will show you help articles and suggestions that may answer your question right away. If you prefer, you can also browse by topic. Grammarly usually organizes support content into categories, so you can choose the one that matches your issue, whether that's account access, premium plans, writing suggestions, or something else. This is a great way to narrow things down if you're not exactly sure what you need help with. Now, if you still can't find the answer you're looking for, don't worry, just scroll down on the support page until you see the Contact Us option. Click that, and then follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Grammarly may ask you to choose the type of issue you're having, provide some details, or complete a short support form. Make sure you explain your problem clearly so the support team can understand what's going on and help you faster. Once you submit your request, all you have to do is wait for Grammarly support to respond, and that's it. Now you know how to contact Grammarly support in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.